Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Weekly Dose on ARM, where we look at some of the highlights from March 8th to March 14th, 2024 in the world on ARM. You can find links to everything I talk about in the description below. On Hackaday.com, Brian Cokefield writes about a device that gives me a hint of nostalgia. User Audio Wanderer on YouTube has created a handheld music player skinned to look like the classic Winamp. Powered by a Raspberry Pi 3B and housed in a clear plastic case, it's a very slick build and a great idea for those who prefer to own their own music rather than relying on streaming services. Yoshimaker has another video out on using C# on ARM devices, this time showing the ease at porting the same code from a Raspberry Pi to an STM32 and more. He does this using the open source Meadow development framework, which helps in creating .NET applications on microcontrollers and low-power devices. The entire process is very easy, so make sure to check this out. DroneBot Workshop on YouTube has a comprehensive guide at creating a Raspberry Pi-based solar telescope to observe and photograph the sun. The setup allows for video streaming via a web browser, as well as interacting with popular astronomy software. This is useful information for anyone with an interest in astronomy, especially with the total solar eclipse coming up soon. And placed firmly in the category of answering the question with, why not? Lowbyte Productions uses an STM32 to render 3D graphics on an oscilloscope. With the video clocking in at 1 hour and 19 minutes, he goes into detail for everything in this project, from planning out and writing the firmware, to PWM digital to analog conversion, to building the filter. You're bound to come out having learned something new after watching this video. If you have a Jetson Nano and a need for real-time object detection, you should try out YOLO V9. With its focus on enhancing speed, accuracy, and efficiency, it's something that needs to be on your radar. Unfortunately, Code with Arahi on YouTube has a step-by-step tutorial on getting set up and running. Christina Panos on Hackaday writes about a useful build by user GokuX on Instructables. It's a drink coaster that uses an infrared temperature sensor to let you know when your drink has reached the perfect temperature. At its core is a Seed Shao SAMD21, and the entire project is so polished that I would have mistaken it for an actual store-bought product. Honestly, I'm tempted to build one of my own. And Diego Russell wrote a blog on community.arm.com talking about Python on ARM. While normally you would consider Python to be platform agnostic, there are real benefits to building and deploying on ARM-based platforms, and in his post you'll find out many of these benefits, so make sure to give it a read. Thanks for watching. Links to all the stories talked about here can be found in the description. Make sure to sign up for our developer program, join our Discord, and join our subreddit to keep up to date with the world on ARM. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, a thumbs down if you hate it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. Later.